been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause New York the shelf. Now my bitches did Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hey guys, I trust you all are good. I trust you all are amazing. So, as you guys know, this is a day in my life vlog, and we are at Food Lovers to get some fruit and some snacks. So, yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying at this moment, and everything is so cool.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause New York the shelf. Now my bitches did Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I just finished getting food. I just bought fruits, yeah, for the fruit platter, and then I think we're going to Woolworths now or Pick and Pay. I'm not so sure, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys are still enjoying at this moment and everything is still cool. So, yeah.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God don't watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I...
What's up, guys? So we've arrived from the mall and we're at the beach now. You know, yeah. So we're done setting up everything and then we are ready to dig in and enjoy. Love y'all.
And that nigga pulling on me, tell that nigga back back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could back that? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shot glass. Shot glass. 5 years of dating, tired of being patient. What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hating, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. No wasting my time with you. Okay, since you gotta have it good.
So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like this day was everything. We are done taking pictures. Everything is cute. Everything is cute, guys. You guys are not ready. I promise you guys are going to love the pictures. Like, you guys are going to love them. So guys,